So I was watching one of Randy's videos, and he was using a tool that I thought was pretty interesting. And for me, this tool will come in handy for a lot of things, and everything from problems with my fireplace, which either we're going to take it down or we're going to have repaired, but we have to find out what needs to be repaired first before we do anything to make a decision about taking it down. This tool will come in pretty handy for that. Any type of furnace, problems with our furnace, which we shouldn't have because that's all been replaced. But in case there's an issue with anything, the car audio, this will come in great with that when I start doing that over the summer. Anything that is a tight space, small area, very dark, and you can't get your eyes in there to see, this is going to help me out with. So I want to thank Randy for posting. I know he posted a video about one of these a while back, and I really didn't think about it, but this time I think a lot about it, and I ordered one. So what we have here is one of those digital inspection endoscopes. So I picked one of these things up off of eBay. They were like 80 some odd dollars, I think, $89 or something, or not eBay but Amazon. And comes with a nice little carrying case. Open the puppy up, and surprise, so we have our camera. And just like Randy says, these are supposed to be water resistant. What's nice about this compared to others is you can flex this any direction you want and it'll stay that way. It's supposed to be a 16-foot cable. You have a hook. You have I don't know what the metal thing is over here, but you have a hook. You have a metal thing over here. There is a charging cable, USB cable, and I don't see a micro SD card in here, so it's probably something that's either with this or you have to buy one yourself. So here's the unit, brand new, all tucked away in its nice little sleeve. Now I don't care for these. To me, those get in the way. I know they are protecting your screen, but I don't like it. So if I open this up over here, what do we have? There is a micro SD card here, so there's probably like a firmware or something that is updated on there. I can't get the micro SD card out, but there is one in that slot. So if I power this thing up, no camera attached, and it's got the SD card. It's comes with a full charge. Nice. Power it off. All right, so I want to thank Randy for sharing this item with everybody. It's going to come in very handy around here for a lot of different uses. What else was there? Oh yeah, I've got the Christmas SX giveaway guitar shipped out, so that's supposed to be guaranteed to be delivered by Friday. And I'll believe it when I see it or hear it or read it as far as the tracking number goes, because the way the mail's been going, it's been pretty damn slow. So I ended up sending out a few Christmas gifts to some of my close friends on YouTube, and 2 of them got delivered, and the others are still waiting for theirs. I've been trying to keep an eye on everything, and I don't know what's going on, but the mail's been really screwed up. The Christmas Kramer, which now I would consider the New Year's Kramer giveaway, is still going on. So you guys, keep an eye on that as far as, or keep a lookout for me to do a giveaway on that. And I'll be announcing the winner for that as soon as I do the drawing. I've been kind of like trying to catch up with a lot of things around here. Got the Christmas stuff down, some of it, not all of it yet. Seems like it takes me longer to take it down than it does to put it up, and I don't know why. It shouldn't be that way. What else? Oh yeah, I talked to Weedy Guitar and Weedy Guitar Studios, and the Les Paul Gold Top pickups that I had in there, the Seymour Duncans, I believe they were. I talked to him, and I'm going to send these out to him tomorrow morning. I'm going to get those out to him. That way he has them and he can put them in his Jackson guitar. His giveaway guitar, I am working on it, but very, very slowly. I know nobody has seen any updates on that. There's a few things that I'm doing with it, or I'm going to be doing with it, that is going to change a little bit as far as the look, and I'm hoping, it still is good for what Weedy wants. And I haven't discussed it with him yet, but I will. I'll talk to him about it as far as what I want to do with it. But anyways, yeah, that's about it. As far as the mail goes, it's really slow, really sucks. So be patient, everyone that I've sent something out to, for it to show up. Merry Christmas to the ones that did receive, and Merry Late Christmas, very, very late Christmas to the ones that will receive their gifts later. Anyways, you guys take it easy, have a good one, and don't let this shit that's going around the world right now bring it down. The government thing and everything else that's going around is pretty screwed up. So take it easy, have a good one, rock on.